Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Ever wondered if someone has blocked you? In this quick video, I will show you how to find it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and go to the search bar. Now type the person's username in the search box. If you can't find their profile at all, even though you know their handle, that's a strong sign they might have blocked you. Now, try checking their profile from a browser like Chrome or Safari by typing instagram.com/username. If the page says user not found or it works on another account but not yours, that confirms you have likely been blocked. Go to any old messages or comments they have made. If their profile picture disappears and their username turns plain without post or bio, that's another clue. Let me go with this one. If their profile picture disappears and their username turns plain without post or bio, that's another clue. You also won't be able to send them new messages if they have blocked you. To be completely sure, search their username using a friend's account or a secondary one. If their profile appears normally there but not on your main account, yes, you have been blocked. And that's how you can easily check if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.